Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to drain the fuel tank on this 2002 Ford F150. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. Alright, we're under the driver's side here, and you can see our fuel lines. This right here is the fuel return line. So what we're going to do is unhook this clip. So you just kind of push in on these plastic parts like that. And then you'll be able to twist and push this off. This is rubber right here. So we're just going to unhook this. So once you've got that off, slip a piece of 1/4-inch line over that, and then you can run the end of it. And now we're under the hood. We're going to open the fuse box here. And this is your fuel pump relay. So we're going to pull that out. And get yourself a jumper wire or a paper clip, and we're going to jump these 2 ports right there. As soon as you touch them, your fuel pump is going to start running. After you've got that in there like that, your jumper wire or whatever, you'll be able to come down here and see you've got gas running into your gas can. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and have a good one, guys.